Hey there, auto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share all things related to DIY auto repairs. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 8 must-have tools that every DIYer should have in their arsenal. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tools will make your auto repair projects a breeze. So, let's dive right in. Before we get down to listing our tools, let's say something about 5 benefits of DIY auto repair. 1. Cost savings. One of the biggest benefits of DIY auto repair is cost savings. By doing the repairs yourself, you can save on labor costs and markups on parts. 2. Learning new skills. DIY auto repair allows you to learn new skills and gain knowledge about your car's workings. This can be empowering and satisfying. 3. Convenience. DIY auto repair allows you to work on your car at your own pace and on your own schedule. You don't have to wait for an appointment or rely on someone else to fix your car. 4. Control over quality. When you do the repairs yourself, you have control over the quality of the work. You can ensure that the job is done right and to your satisfaction. 5. Bonding experience. DIY auto repair can be a bonding experience with family and friends. You can work together to fix a car and learn from each other's skills and knowledge. Overall, DIY auto repair can be a rewarding and cost-effective way to keep your car running smoothly. With that said, let's get back to our listing of the top must-have tools for DIY auto repair. Remember, you can use our links in the video description to order these tools. 1. Socket set. Our first must-have tool is a high-quality socket set. This versatile tool will help you tackle a wide range of tasks, from removing bolts and nuts to working on engine components. It comes in different sizes and can be used for various purposes, making it a must-have tool for any DIY mechanic. Make sure to invest in a set that includes both metric and standard sizes to cover all your bases. A ratchet handle and extensions are also included in most socket sets, allowing you to reach tight spaces with ease. 2. Wrench set. Alongside a socket set, a good wrench set is a must-have for any DIY mechanic. Wrenches come in handy when you need to loosen or tighten bolts and nuts that are not accessible with a socket. Similar to socket sets, choose a wrench set that includes both metric and standard sizes. Combination wrenches, which have an open end on one side and a closed end on the other, offer versatility and convenience. 3. Torque wrench. Next up, we have the torque wrench. This tool is essential for achieving accurate torque specifications when tightening bolts. It ensures that you don't over-tighten or under-tighten critical components, preventing potential damage. A torque wrench is a must for any serious DIY mechanic. 4. Screwdriver set. A comprehensive screwdriver set is indispensable when working on a vehicle. Look for a set that includes various sizes and types of screwdrivers, including flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers. These will allow you to tackle a wide range of tasks, such as removing interior panels, working with electrical components, and adjusting screws on various parts of your vehicle. 5. OBD2 Scanner. Moving on our tool list, we have the OBD2 Scanner. This handy device allows you to diagnose and troubleshoot engine issues by reading the onboard diagnostic system. It provides valuable insights into your vehicle's health, saving you time and money by pinpointing problems before they escalate. 6. Jack and jack stands. Now, let's talk about safety and accessibility. When it comes to working underneath your vehicle, safety should be a top priority. A reliable jack and a set of jack stands are crucial for any DIY auto repair enthusiast. They provide stability and allow you to safely lift your vehicle, giving you easy access to perform various repairs and maintenance tasks. It is important to use these tools correctly and follow the safety guidelines to prevent accidents. A hydraulic jack and a set of jack stands are essential tools for lifting and supporting your vehicle securely. A hydraulic jack provides the necessary lifting power, while jack stands keep the vehicle safely elevated. Always remember to use jack stands in addition to a jack to prevent accidents and ensure stability. 7. Multimeter. A multimeter is an invaluable tool for diagnosing electrical issues in your vehicle. It is a true lifesaver when it comes to electrical troubleshooting. It helps you test circuits, check voltage, and diagnose electrical issues in your vehicle. A good quality multimeter is a must-have for any DIY mechanic working on electrical systems. It can help you diagnose problems with your car's electrical system quickly and accurately. With a multimeter, you can test batteries, fuses, sensors, and other electrical components. Look for a digital multimeter with a clear display and various testing capabilities. 8. Oil filter wrench. An oil filter wrench is used to remove the oil filter from your car's engine. It comes in different sizes and can be used for various types of oil filters. Tips for the DIY mechanic. After acquiring these top tools, you can start working on your car. Here are some tips for beginners. 1. Start small, don't jump into major repairs without experience. Begin with simple tasks like oil changes, air filter replacements, and brake pad changes. 2. Consult your owner's manual, it's your car's Bible, providing specific instructions and torque specifications for various tasks. 3. Research online, don't be afraid to Google. Forums, videos, and online guides can offer valuable tips and troubleshooting advice. 4. Know your limits, don't attempt repairs beyond your skill level. If something seems daunting, seek help from a qualified mechanic. And there you have it, our top 8 must-have tools for DIY auto repairs. Investing in these tools will not only save you time and money but also empower you to take control of your vehicle's maintenance and repairs. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when working on your vehicle. Always wear appropriate protective gear, follow proper procedures, and consult reliable resources for guidance. With these tools in your arsenal, you'll be well equipped to handle a wide range of auto repair tasks. With these essential tools and a bit of know-how, you can conquer basic car repairs yourself and save money in the process. Remember, DIY auto repair is a rewarding journey, so grab your tools, get greasy, and enjoy the satisfaction of keeping your car running smoothly. That wraps up our video on the top 8 must-have tools for DIY auto repairs. We hope you found this information helpful and that it inspires you to take on your own auto repair projects. Don't forget to go through product links in the video description and order your tools today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. As always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Until next time, happy wrenching!